in today's video, you don't want to see this. This is madness. I mean, look at it. It's hailing super bad. And look at that. Look on our porch. You do not see all that hail right there. That's all hail. If you don't see the rain, I'm sorry because, yeah, that's kind of hard, but I can see it. But that's madness. Let me show you. My friend's recording too, right? You should go check out her channel. But she doesn't have one on Cuban. Okay, guys, look at our glass table. Look at the sidewalk. Look at my pulpit. Everything is hail. I even saw like a bird flying. Poor bird. Allie's videotaping over there, but. And you do not hear the thunder. It is like. Daddy, I want to tell you something. The hurricane. Is there a hurricane this week?
Down in Florida, yeah.
It might be getting it here.
No, we don't get hurricanes here. You have to be by the ocean to get a hurricane.
Allie, my dad just told me that there's a hurricane in Florida. Oh no. Guess what? You know Anna Jewel, she's moved to Florida.
We could still get like a lot of strong rain from the hurricane.
Yeah, this might be the strong rain. Okay, Olivia, can I go? Okay, I'll go to this one. Okay. Yeah, it kind of shows better anyways. See, guys, look at the poor. This is so upsetting. Look at the poor cars. Look, I don't know if you can see that, but is that an orange car? It looks like a real orange. Anyways, I don't know if you can, I was kidding about that. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you cannot see that itty bitty thing of like the smallest tornado in the whole world. I have a feeling there's gonna be a tornado building soon.
Okay, so
the streets are flooded too. Oh, sorry. The streets are flooded too, guys. Don't mind her. Let's go into Julie's window because yeah, I don't know why there's fine, so it may be hard to see. But do you not see that all in the grass? And look, the streets are flooded. Look, the streets are flooded. It's probably better if I go to the other one. Look, guys, the streets are flooded. And if you guys, look, the streets are flooded.
oh yeah, that's my favorite video.
And she's at my house.
Yes. Did you hear that? And then I am scared to be going home.
Yeah, I'll see. Allie, this is like crazy.
What is?
I swear that Florida's having a hurricane right now. My dad told me that.
Hi.
Hello. Anyways, that was really. That's kind of scary though. I mean, yeah. I swear you can't really see the rain that good though. But that's how you know it's rain because you can see a little bit of leaks right there. See? You can see a little bit of leaks. See? Boop, 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 boop. So you can see those little leaks. And hi! That's to Oscar! Oh no!
Walk of shame. Wait, where's
Guys.
Toby then?
Probably. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go upstairs and show you guys. We're gonna see it upstairs in person because I have a feeling that'd be really cool seeing it.
Olivia, stay downstairs.
Dang it. Oh well. Well, we can't go upstairs, guys, so. Allie, don't videotape this. I am close for this. Anyways, guys, look at
Toby, a mission for Toby.
stuff. Allie, that's not even the living room.
Toby.
Allie, I know where Toby is. No. It is now a search for Toby. I might end the video right now helping Allie find Toby, but yeah, I'm still going to video. Toby's literally on his bed. Oh my god, I didn't see him there. That was hilarious. That was kind of funny if you don't know, guys, because you literally just missed him. Well, guys, thanks for watching this video with me. If you don't know, this hurricane was very bad, so yeah, just don't. You can tell all your friends about this hurricane, the specific hurricane. Well, it's not a hurricane, beep. The specific thing called Hail Madness. This is what it's called because we said we are going to get a Hail Madness. And yeah, we're having Hail Madness right now. So I'm kind of upsetting that we're having Hail Madness. But yeah. Allie, you know what a real Hail Madness is? It's actually a type of hail, and that means like the hail literally like
Your type of brown hair.
it's just like a type of hail that comes down really cool that just looks like snow, and that's what we're having right now. But thanks for watching this video, you guys. Bye. Wait, let me show you my face. Bye.